All right, I'm gonna do it. You ready? I'm not gonna fuck up, I swear. Oh fuck, hold up. Did I zoom out? Bro. Yo, welcome back to My Mentality. We're here today with Peter, Fabi, me, your boy Aaron. We're gonna be working today on Peter's Challenger. So he finished getting the engine back from the machine shop. He's got bored out. What did he get bored out to, Peter?
6'4"?
6'5".
6'5". There you go, 6'5". His little shanker. Putting everything back together today. We're gonna recap everything that we've done. We did record videos before, but they weren't like up to the quality that we wanted to because we weren't really talking much in the videos. So we're just gonna show you what we did, and then we're gonna talk to you today and walk you through the entire process. All right, hope you guys enjoy. Ooh!
Shit tight as hell now.
So right now we're kind of struggling. They're gonna show on the stand. I'm not gonna lie to you.
On this right now.
But we gonna get it. We gonna get it.
Okay, so is it me or is this thing like tilted this way? This is fucking...
It is. I've been saying that. That shit's tilted the fucking wrong way. Once we take a hammer, just fucking mash it until.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Don't cross that bitch though.
I can't cross that with my hands.
You mean you work out?
Fucking Hulk.
I'm done.
I seen you squat.
How's my phone?
I'm done.
Fucking it stares me in the eye. I'm gonna say like 12. Maybe off though, about like 5 or 6.
I'm done. We finally got it on the stand. We're just sending everything down right now.
Alright. Is there even a point of training this?
You, bruh.
Fuck it.
Cool.
Welcome back, folks. We're here. We're back at it. Hopefully with another banger. I mean, not that there was one in the first place, but we're getting the content pushed out there. Aaron, if the camera turns around, you're gonna see quite a mess we made. We took the motor out. We're gonna put a little recap in here about how it went down last time. But essentially, we're on the stand now. We got a lot of boxes with new parts. Hopefully they go on correctly. No promises. We're waiting on one more member.
You didn't make that face again? He said correctly.
Yeah. I don't know where we're gonna start. I don't know where we left off. I don't know what was the last thing we did. I'm sure we're gonna start with the crankshaft and stuff. But we're gonna try to get good content. You know what I mean? The next thing we're gonna do is probably, we're gonna clean out the entire engine right now. Hey, yo! We're just gonna clean everything off. We have all these fucking parts. We have these parts over here at the bottom. So we're just gonna clean the engine out completely and then start assembling everything, putting everything back together. So the plan right now is to literally put everything back together, take everything out of there. We're gonna completely take out the front end, and then we're just gonna slide the engine in with the hoist. Hopefully we can get a lot done today, but let's see. All right, we're gonna fill you guys in.
Everything.
Bro, that's usually how it is. All right, right now we're just cleaning the cylinder walls. We're using trans fluid right now in a magic eraser. Crazy combo. We actually getting shit off? We are, right?
Yeah.
I mean, you don't feel shit. That shit's clean. Yo, trans fluid smells disgusting.
Don't scare my boy.
Nah, you'll be alright.
This
is a whole V8. You be chilling. You can run on 6 cylinders. You'll be alright.
Yeah.
Don't scare my boy like that, man.
Hey yo, watch your shit.
Lube it up, bro. Lube it up. What you doing? Ooh. Yeah, my boy.
God. You see how it comes out of the sides?
Hey, yo! Juicy injectors. Juicy.
What you know about that 1000cc?
What you know about, bro? I hate that song, bro. Alright, we're just gonna finish lubing everything up and then we'll update you guys in a second.
Well, we're not scared to get dirty in my garage. We're gonna get in here and lubricate these things here.
Look at that form.
Impeccable. Are you like a YouTube master tech or some shit?
YouTube certified. Safe to say.
Okay, I'll fix it.
Alright.
you saw the meme where it's like, imagine being being in school to be a mechanic, and then you remember you have a whole engine due at night. Like, bro.
Put the whole thing together in one night.
Yeah, one night. It's like, fuck.
Oof. It fits
Perfect.
so. It fits so like thing that you have to.
Oh my god, that's butter. Yo, make sure the things are actually. Are they good? Yeah, all right. So, spin them around, move them up a little bit. Can't. Yo, we're pretty much done. Shit. That's the spacer you were talking about, right?
No shot.
Wait, clean it.
I'm trying to figure out.
You said no shot.
Oh yeah, I see. Oh. Yeah,
Oh shit, it like locks in place. Wait, is it supposed to go on that thing?
Yeah, because you can see the groove right here lines up exactly.
No, but is it supposed to go all the way to the end?
I'd assume so because it goes in it. Unless something goes in there first, I don't know. Oh, no, it definitely would go all the way to the end because it's a spacer. It's meant to.
Oh, okay.
No, that feels like 2000s.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. He knows.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's about like 2-3 elixirs.
Oh my god, man, we play too much.
Oh no. We're not professionals. Like, I would not recommend following the dumb shit that we do because we're hoping for the best. Like, we hoping like, you know, this shit gonna blow up, but like, there is no guarantee that we're doing this shit 100% correctly. I mean, that came from Peter's mouth, not mine. But we gonna learn. This is a learning experience. So we're gonna learn. We're gonna perfect the craft. You know, we're gonna improve. This is a hobby. We love doing this shit, so we just want to get better at it. You feel me?
There's a little guy.
We got it.
Oh yeah, these are all labeled the same. So.
Bro, how we gonna learn if you don't start somewhere? You feel me? You have to start somewhere.
No.
And if that means Peter's engine's gone, I mean.
We're cat.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. Fuck it, we ball.
Fuck it, we ball exactly. Yeah.
I won.
You started before me. Damn, this shit's tighter than mine.
Pussy.
God damn it, Aaron.
The fuck did I do?
God damn it.
God damn it, Aaron.
That shit went down, so.
Did it?
Yeah.
Good shit.
This shit gotta be tightened a little more though, right?
No, yeah.
Because it's not
So
like
there's-
super tight.
There's three steps to it.
You gotta do it by
I guess
increments,
the first one is just getting them seated. The next one is 28 newton meters. So we're gonna go up.
Is the final step foot pounds?
No, the final step is actually in angles of degree.
How the fuck you put it to that?
So after these, I'm gonna go from being straight here, then 90 degrees being a quarter of 360. So I'm gonna go from here all the way to here. That's 90 degrees.
I've never done this?
I mean, I have.
Oh.
But
Peter.
When you working hard and your money's not as man.